The Bear Grylls Survival collection by Luminox have all the features that Bear Grylls considers necessary to face any kind of challenge. Designed in collaboration with Edward Michael from Man vs. Wild, all the watches in the collection are equipped with Luminox Light Technology, or LLT, and the slogan "Never give up" on the case back. Following its launch in January 2020, now it comes the fourth model in the collection, Luminox Bear Grylls Survival Master Series. Like some of the models in the Land, Air and Sea series, it features a Carbonox case with anti-reflective sapphire crystal and a fire-resistant strap with a detachable compass. When looking at the time, the wearer will enjoy the stainless steel screw-down crown with easy grip, as well as the unidirectional rotating bezel and the solid stainless steel chronograph pushers. Without any doubt, it is a watch that will resist all your adventures, including the aquatic ones, thanks to its 30 atmospheres water resistance.